Quick run through on how to check in a delivery in the inventory system. Make sure you watch the purchase order video before doing this. When stocks are getting low and Tillex has sent you an email saying raise a purchase order and you've done that through the inventory, it will automatically put a delivery form ready for you to check off when the deliveries arrive. To see it, you go to the inventory, click on the calendar, and you can see I've got a purchase order here for orange juice, 2 crates of OJ with bits, OJ smooth, and like I said earlier, make sure you watch the video on how to raise a purchase order. It's quite simple, so we'll save that. It's automatically raised the delivery sheet ready to be checked in, as they may well have some missing items. So if you double click on this, we can say that the OJ with bits was delivered. Okay, that's checked in. If there's a batch code, you can put it in. And let's say only 1 crate of OJ smooth came, so we'll change that, and the batch code is for that one. And we're not going to enter a best before date. You can do it if you want to, and then we'll say that's arrived, and it will amend accordingly. Okay, then go to the SKU list, and you can see what's happening in the life of a SKU. OJ smooth, and we'll see we've only got 1 crate in stock, and here's the delivery note that's come in. And you can always click on any of the information in here to find out what's going on. Best practice is to make sure that you've got everything filled in correctly at inventory level, so that when you do raise a purchase order, a delivery note is just waiting ready to be checked in. Many do this on their phone with admin rights, so that they can stand at the delivery door and check items straight in.